Hello friends, good morning. Today we will learn the revision of EVS in chapter 2. In last video session we learned that one, match the following, filling the blanks, MCQ, and today we will learn here that answer the following questions. In first question, which organ help us to smell things? So friends, you say here, which organs, which part of our body they help us to smell things? A nose. Which part? Nose help us to smell things. Remember, only write the answers. Which organ help us to smell in things? The nose help us to smell things. You remember it. Now, question number 2. Which organ help us to digest food? Means digest food means our digestion system. Which organ help us to our digestion system? Food we eat, जो खाना हम खाते हैं उसमें. So stomach help us to digest food we eat. Which part of our body they help us in digesting food? So stomach help us to digest we eat. Question number 3. What are the internal part of the body? So friends, you have remember which part we call the internal part. So first you remember we see the directly that part of the means external part, and which part we cannot see of our body, it is called internal part. So first you understand here what are the internal part of the body. Internal means जो हम देख सकते नहीं है वो कहाँ है? In our body. तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Internal part. What are the internal part of our the body? So we cannot see some parts of our body. तुम brain देख सकते हो? No. Heart? No. Lungs? No. There's so many kidney? No. That part we cannot see some parts of our body. They are called internal part. उसे क्या कहते हैं? Internal parts. Now number 4. Name any 5 external part of the body. Which part you can see directly? So first you say thumb, finger, hands, elbow, knee, also head, eyes, nose, then ear, mouth. This part is called external part. But we write here external parts. कौन है? इधर the head, neck, hands, legs, finger, thumb, etc. They are the external part of our body. Now next question, number 5. What is the difference between internal and external part of the body? दोनों के बीच में different क्या है? What is the difference between external part and internal part? So you understand here that external part we can see not, we cannot see. External part we can see directly with our eyes, and internal part we cannot see. So remember, internal part we cannot see when the external part we can see. हम बाहर के जो पार्ट है वो देख सकते हैं और अंदर के बॉडी के अंदर के पार्ट को देख सकते नहीं है. दिस इज कॉल्ड इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल पार्ट. नाउ लेसन नंबर 3, ग्रोइंग अप. सम न्यू वर्ड्स you have seen here. So first I speak, then you. Grow, G-R-O-W, grow. Second, change, C-H-A-N-G-E, change. Period, P-E-R-I-O-D, period. Next, edge, A-G-E-H. Process, P-R-O-C-E-S-S, process. Increase, I-N-C-R-E-A-S-E, increase. Wrinkled, W-R-I-N-K-L-E-D, wrinkled. Sapling, S-A-P-L-I-N-G-S, saplings. Now stage, S-T-A-G-E, stage. Infant, I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. Newborn, NEWBORN, newborn. Strong, STRONG, strong. Teenager, TEENAGER, teenager. Adult, ADULT, adult. Tons, TURNS, tons. Shop, SHUBS, shops. Now friends, this new word in this lesson. Now we try understand here the filling the blanks. First you show here that the process of growth is dash. I write here the answers, but remember the process of growth. तुम एक दिन में इतना बड़ा हो जाते हो कि छोटा रहते हो, बट द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रोथ तुम स्लोली बड़े होते हो. ऑल दिट ग्रोइंग पार्ट इज स्लोली. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रोथ इज स्लो, नॉट अ स्पीडी. सेकंड नंबर, एंड डैश कैन नॉट टॉक. जो स्पीक कौन नहीं कर सकते, तो विच क्राइटेरिया ऑफ द एज देन मींस चाइल्ड या पर्सन दे आर कैन नॉट टॉक, वो बातचीत नहीं करते हमारे साथ. तो इन्फेंट मींस न्यू बॉर्न बेबी डू नॉट स्पीक द करेक्टली वर्ड. नंबर थर्ड, अ डैश ग्रो इनटू अ बिग ट्री. अ डैश ग्रो इनटू अ बिग ट्री. तो फर्स्ट और सीड्स का सेकंड स्टेप होता है सैपलिंग. दैट वी कॉल दैट आंसर द फिलिंग इन सैपलिंग. मींस अ सैपलिंग grows into a big tree. जो सैपलिंग होता है वो क्या हो जाता है, बड़ी ट्री में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. नंबर 4, the skin of an old person get means when you see your grandfather या grandmother, then he or her skin means his या her skin is wrinkled. wrinkled means ऐसे लूज हो जाती है, हो जाती है लूज, जैसे क्रसली होकर नीचे चले जाती है. wrinkled, we call that wrinkled. means the skin of the old person, not our ages, means old persons get wrinkled up. Now question number D, true or false. This is first, animals do not grow. क्या ऐसी कोई चीज है जो ग्रो नहीं होती है, तो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. बट एनिमल्स आर लिविंग थिंग्स, सो दे ग्रो. अंडरस्टैंड? जो छोटे से बड़े होते हैं उसे कहते हैं ग्रोथ, मीन्स ग्रो. तो दिस सेंटेंस एनिमल्स डू नॉट ग्रो, वो क्या होते हैं, ग्रोथ नहीं होते, न होते हैं तो रॉन्ग है. दिस सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग. नाउ सेकंड नंबर, अ न्यू बॉर्न चाइल्ड इज कॉल्ड अ यूथ. यूथ हम उसे कहते हैं, दिस मीन्स अ पर्सन या person as is more than 18 years, we call them youth. But a newborn child, newborn जो छोटा बच्चा होता है अभी भी जिसका बॉर्न हुआ है उससे हम क्या करते हैं, तो इन्फेंट कहते हैं. तो ये क्या दिया है, यूथ दिया है. सो इट इज द सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग, मींस दिस सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग हियर. A newborn child is called a infant, then the sentence is right, but here given that youth, so the sentence is wrong. Number third, the skin of a very old person get wrinkled. It is right. I learned before a few minutes. मैंने अभी बताया कि जो ओल्ड पर्सन होता है उसकी स्किन क्या हो जाती है, wrinkled हो जाती है. नंबर 4, seeds grow into sapling. Good. This sentence is correct. Seeds जो हम कहते हैं ना बीज, इसे कहते हैं सीड्स. सीड्स ग्रो, बड़े होकर क्या हो जाते हैं, ग्रोथ करते हैं. तब जब हम उनकी फार्मिंग कर देते हैं, तब प्लांटिंग कर देते हैं, वो क्या हो जाते हैं, सैपलिंग. मींस छोटा सा इतना सा पौधा बन जाता है वो, बट इट इज कॉल्ड सैपलिंग. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज राइट. नंबर 5, अ चाइल्ड ग्रो इनटू एन इन्फेंट. जो छोटा होता है वो उससे बड़ा होता है, या बड़ा होता है वो छोटा होता है. तो चाइल्ड मीन्स थोड़ा, दिस एज इज more than 3 years and less than 11 years. This is called a child. दोस्तों फ्रेंड्स, a child grow into an infant. जो बच्चा होता है वो born बेबी जैसा हो जाता है? No. दोस्तों sentence is false. Now question is 3. Miss C. Circle the correct answer. मैंने पहले से करके रखा है. You see, all living या नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो, मीन्स कौन सी चीज होती है जो ग्रोथ होती है, लिविंग या नॉन लिविंग. तो यू अंडरस्टैंड ये, लिविंग थिंग्स ऑलवेज ग्रो, लिविंग थिंग्स ऑलवेज ग्रो, एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स look मीन्स लाइक एज अ टेबल, चेयर, मोबाइल फोन या एनी अदर. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस बैग्स, so many things they are non-living, and living things they are grown, like as a tree, plants, animals, and human bodies. They are grown. Now, number second, young of animal became big या small animal. जो young of animal, young of animal became, वो क्या होता है, छोटे बच्चे जो होते हैं वो. young of animals means a newborn baby जैसे. become a big या small animal. तो you see here that newborn baby become a big, वो क्या बनता है, थोड़ा बड़ा बनता है. तो here young of animal became big. You circle on big. Question number 3 means 3 numbers. A young person became dash old या infant. तो young होता है वो, infant means छोटा नहीं होता है. It is big. It means he became big. Means the young person became old. First होता है infant, second you child, third youth, fourth a person, and last is old. This is the stage of that human beings. Number 4, a child dash walk. A child walk can या cannot. A child means children होता है जो बच्चा, वो चल सकता है. Infant कभी चल सकता नहीं, वो छोटा होता है इसलिए ऐसे ऐसे चलता है. So a child can walk and an infant cannot walk. Remember both things. A child can walk, and then we change the imprint of write the word infant, or an infant cannot walk. Understand you? Now number 5. An young या old person has grey hair. Young या old, you always say that young person hair is always black, but the old person hair is grey, means white बन जाता है. Now question number D. Answer the following question. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What name is given to the young one of cow? What name is given to the young one of cow? You remember, हम काऊ के बच्चे को क्या कहते हैं? तो young one of cow is called calf. उसे बच्चे को क्या कहते हैं? calf. C-A-L-F. Young one of cow is called calf. Now next, which animal does a kitten grow into? Means which animal does a kitten grow into? Kitten जब होते हैं वो बड़े होकर, बिग होकर, what become? तो you see here, a kitten grow into a cat. Kitten, when it become big, then he become cat. जब वो kitten बड़ा हो जाता है तो बन जाता है cat. Now question number 3. What happened to the skin during the old age? Old age में skin कैसे हो जाती है? The skin get wrinkled during the old age. You remember what happened to the skin during the old age? So during the old age, our skin is wrinkled. Number 4. What is growth? The process of becoming larger or longer. It is called growth. The process of which process? Small to become big. Small to become big. Means seeds became sapling, sapling became plant, plant became tree. It is called growth. For example, in our life, we see that a newborn baby is called child, means infant. Infant became that child, child became that youth, youth became a person, and person became that old person. It is called growth. छोटे से बड़ा. Big means small to big. It is called growth, and we also call that in the math language ascending order. क्या होता है? Ascending order. Now question number 5. Exact. Question number 5. Define infant. What we call infant? A newborn baby up to 1 or 2 years. Up to born होता है वहां से. Up to 1 or 2 years of age. Age of up to 2 years. You understand? A newborn baby up to 1 or 2 years age is called infant. मीन्स जहां से बोर्न हुआ है वहां से 2 साल तक है, उसकी एज बीच में कितनी भी हो, इट इज कॉल्ड दैट इन्फेंट. अ न्यू बोर्न बेबी अप टू 1 or 2 years एज इज कॉल्ड इन्फेंट. 1 second. Now continue lesson number 4. Taking care of our body. Taking care of our body. That first I speak some new words, then you speak. Understand here? First, healthy. HEALTHY, healthy. HABIT, habit. Practice, PRACTICES, practices. Remember, REMEMBER, remember. Cleaner, CLEANER, cleaner. Rings, RINSA, rings. Foul, FOUR, foul. Leafy, LEAFY, leafy. Drink, DRINK, drink. Fried, FRIED, fried. Jumps, GERMS, jumps. Spread, SPREAD, spread. BOILED, boiled. Next, bath, BATH, bath. Wipe, WIPE, wipe. TD, TIDY, TD. Proper, PROPER, proper. Exercise, EXERCISE, exercise. List, LEAST, list. Straight, STRAIGST, straight. Fresh, FRESH, fresh. AVOID, avoid. Snakes, SNACKS, snakes. Found, FOUND, found. WASH, wash. FILTRED, filtered. Friends, in new word, you write in your notebook and you read again and again, so you have more practice, then you read very easily. Now next question, number 8, filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. Use a dash to clean yourself while bathing. हम अपने आप को क्लीन करने के लिए which things we are used to soap, SOAP, soap. Number 2, use a dash to dry yourself after a bath. Which things we are used after bathing? Which things we are used after bathing to dry our body? The towel. TOWEL, towel. You must brush your teeth twice a day, twice daily, 2 times daily. How many times you take a brush? Do the brush? You must brush your teeth 2 times daily, twice a day. This is correct. Now number 4, take a bath every day. Take a dash every day. We take a bath every day. So we clean our body. We take a bath. Dash are teeny harmful living things which we cannot see. Which things we cannot see? So you have seen me answer internal part of the body, but here is different. Germs we cannot see. We cannot say germs. Now number 6, oily food is dash. Oily food always unhealthy. When you see that oily food, you understand it is unhealthy. Number 7, keep your hair dash and tidy. Keep your hair clean and tidy. Clean and tidy. Now next, 1 second. Number 8, food help us to grow dash and healthy. Or when you eat the food help us to grow strong and healthy. अच्छी खाना खाते हो तो स्ट्रांग और हेल्दी बनते हो, और वैसे जम्स वाले या ऑयली फूड खाते हो तो क्या में से कैंसर हो जाता है. मीन्स सो वी ऑलवेज ईट द हेल्दी फूड. We should dash water before the drinking. So boil. We should boil water before the drinking. क्या करना चाहिए? पानी पीने से पहले बॉइलिंग कर देना चाहिए. मीन्स गर्म करना. Now question number B. Match the following. A. First you see here that column A, hair, nail, teeth and hands. And column B, you see that toothbrush, saw, and nail cutter and comb. You understand here? That is joining and you speak answer correctly. Hair used for comb. Hair क्या करना चाहिए? comb के लिए. Nail, its answer is nail cutter. Teeth, toothbrush, and hand for what? Saw. You remember hair, comb, nail, nail cutter, teeth, toothbrush, and saw. Remember? Now write good and bad habit. Some habit is in our daily life, the good, and some are bad. We learn here. Write good and bad habit. Eating uncovered food. जहां से जैसा खाना मिला वो खा जाना है, तो it is our bad habit. Means eating uncovered food, it is bad habit. Rinsing your mouth after eating. खाना खाने के बाद क्या करना है? रिंस करना है. वो करते हैं वो. तो rinse your mouth after eating, it is good. Washing your hands before and after meals. Washing your hands before and after meals. खाना खाने से पहले जो तुम्हारे hands वॉश कर देते हो वो गुड हैबिट है. Now biting your nails is bad. Biting your nails means ऐसे नाउन करते हो your bad habit है. Now number 5, covering your mouth with the clean handkerchief while coughing good. जब तुम्हें coughing में खांसी होती है तब you keep your handkerchief on your mouth. So friends, we learn here exercise number 3 and question answer we see in the next video. Thank you.